These are my socks.
Is it?
Yeah. Cheeky. Anyway.
I don't know. Wash it.
Okay. Keep this leg here. Hold it there. Stop me coming down. Push up. 3, 2, 1. Push up. So you push up.
Oh.
Push up. There we are. Good. Relax. And this one here. Push up. And straighten the leg. Couple more. Couple more. 2 more. Good. And again. And up. Push up. Okay, cool. Let's bring this leg out here. Hold it. Stop me coming in. Push out. Okay, relax. Stretch it on. Push out. Duckily. So, lay on your side facing me this way.
This way?
Yes, please. Oh. Hold on. That's this here. Okay, straighten this leg. I'm with you. I've got you here, Mum. Let that go. Yeah, more.
Oh!
Lay on the other side.
Wow. This side?
Yes, please. I was going to say. Bear with me. And relax. Good. Bit more, just there.
Oh! Wow!
Lay on your back, face up.
Oh, that's a good one.
Cheers, Mum. Hold the leg here, stop me coming in, push out. A little bit. And this one. Push out, this one. Okay. Now, this time, lay on your side facing that way. Okay, keep both these legs straight. Don't hit me, okay? Lift this leg up. Up. Come on. And back down. 3 more. There's 1. Painful?
Yeah.
You can do it. Last one, come on. And back.
Oh my god.
Deep breath in. And back. And lay on your back.
Oh wow.
There you go.
What did you say?
Lay
Sorry.
on your back.
Oh, sorry. It's a pain.
Hold the leg here, stop me coming in, push out. Good.
You're not getting me this time. Oh,
Good job, Mum.
good stuff.
Pass this on. Keep this arm straight. Keep this elbow locked. Lock that way. Good. Elbow, push up. Just relax. Good. This one here, Mum. Hold it there, push up. Good. Relax. Arm here, stop me coming down. Good.
Awesome. Just very much.
Push up. Again, push. Now turn your head to the left. Hold the arm. Push up. Turn your head to the right. Push up. Okay. Right. There, yeah. Little bit more.
Oh.
Good. Bring this arm up here. Push up. Good. Now, lay face down for me, Mum.
Face up.
Yes, please. Ooh, a little bit cuffy. Keep your left leg straight, lift it up. Hold it there, drop that just down, drop this down a little bit more, there. Hold it, push up. Good, let go. And the right leg. Hold it there. Straighten this leg, good, push up. Okay, one more time. Push up. Alright, let's check that with this. Bend this knee, push up. So you push there, good. Let that go, this one here. Bend it there, push up. Okay, relax. Keep this leg straight again. Keep it straight, lift it up. There we go. Right leg, just the right leg. Keep this leg straight, straighten that leg, push up. Okay, do that again, push up. Okay, relax. Keep this leg straight, lift it up. Push up. Good. And lay on your back. Yeah, just relax. Bring this leg to the side, hold it there, push in, push out, sorry. Good, relax. And push out. Wonderful. Take a seat. Peace.
Thank you. Oh, well done, mate.
Cheers,